2-1 shot. Packed Place upstaged his more fancied rivals of a Revolution and Gravano to land the feature Eileen Cliggott Memorial Trophy at Caymanas Park on Saturday. Denise Walters has our weekend racing review.
In the gate-to-wire affair, Packed Place, ridden by 2019 champion jockey Christopher Mamdeen, did all the running in the 7-horse field, going 6 furlongs in Grade 1 company.
Still Packed Place in front, Packed Place keeping them at bay. It's Packed Place on top of a Revolution, needs to do more. Packed Place, here comes of a Revolution right up against the rail, coming on to that's Digital One Supremacy. Packed Place is brave on that lead, and Packed Brave will land the Eileen Cliggott Memorial. Packed Place beats of a Revolution. Digital One looks like coming on for fourth. That's interesting times ahead.
With splits of 24 flat to 47 and 2, 1 minute 12 and 3, the Rowan Matthew conditioned the 5-year-old Dark Bay Packed Place won in 1 minute 19 flat by 2 3/4 lengths.
Well, coming to this race, Chain and Matty did not give me instruction because I've been on this horse for the last 2 weeks, so I've been knowing this horse. From I leave the gate, I have the horse easy flow. It didn't come off the bitter for even a second, so this was an easy fraction for me. It's an easy fraction, yeah. I still have a lot in the tank.
Meanwhile, 10-1 chance, Oil Machine created an upset to capture the co-feature Bonnie Blue Flag Trophy and non-restricted overnight allowance contest to going 7.5 furlongs.
Mark my identity, but it's Oil Machine really traveling like an Oil Machine this afternoon, and Oil Machine will land the Bonnie Blue Flag Trophy. Oil Machine beats McEnroe, then comes Mark My Identity. Brenda Boy runs on to be fourth.
Ridden by 6-time former champion jockey Omar Walker and conditioned by trainer Philip Elliott, 5-year-old Chestnut Oil Machine won by 1.5 lengths in 1 minute 34 flat.
This is also been running a lot of races from the other day, so he didn't need a lot of preparation for this race. I ran 2 weeks ago, so I look cool out, fresh up, and just come for the race.
2-time champion jockey Radish Roman rode a double, while 3-time champion trainer Jason DaCosta saddled the 2 winners. Racing continues next Saturday. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.